Hello again. I'm Natalie Schaffner and I host the Candlelight Trading Live Trade Room, where my goal is to educate traders on understanding the markets, trading, and most importantly, risk management. I'm of the belief that the majority of retail traders are trading very small trading accounts of less than $6,000. I say this in my trade room all the time. In fact, I would guess that there are a lot of you out there trading accounts of $3,000 or less. So the question is, can you build a trading career starting with an account of that size? I believe that you can, and I'd like to show you how. So coming soon, I'm going to be starting the $3,000 account challenge. What is the $3,000 account challenge, you ask? Well, I'm going to take a $3,000 live account and trade it in my trading room for all who join to watch. My personal challenge will be to double that account in 8 weeks or less. While doing this, my goal for my members is to teach you how you can do it as well. It's really all about proper risk management. More information on that will be coming soon. In the meantime, here's a quick video of some trades that we took recently in the room. Notice the small risks that we take on these trades and how I protect the profit. First, of course, please take a minute to read the disclaimer, and remember, this video is not intended to be trading advice, but it's for educational purposes only. See these 74 buyers right here? I am going to buy crude right here. So I'm long at 68. This wick here is 63. So 62, 61. I'll give it 2 ticks below. 61 needs to be the stop. Not quite to a retracement level yet. So this could go a little lower. My buyers did kind of go away there, and this could come down to that 65, 50, whatever that level is, 59-ish. So I may be a little early here. I'm going to raise my stop up a little bit. I'm not going to go 2 ticks below the wick. I'm going to hide right behind these 110 buyers at 64. So I'm risking 5. If it pushes down lower, that's fine. I'll look for it in here because it is set up decent. So maybe we can get one nice move up in crude. Also on that 30-minute, you can see it had a really bullish bar up, came back up, retested this 200 EMA, and that's kind of where it's holding. So it's not bad, but it could go down a little bit, just dip below. So we'll see if it'll bounce from here. So 75, we need to break 75. Unfinished auction there, so it should at least come back up to that. We'll see. There's some more buyers step in. And my buyers disappeared and my sellers said come back in. I'm going to move to break even +2. If I get 20 bucks, I get 20 bucks. Like I said, I'm a little early based on the fib, so I'll be really, really tight with it all right. How much see if I can buy bid here? Let's see if I can get 79. I may not. It's trying. See if I can get 80. And if I get in at 80, then I have to hide just behind that cluster of buyers there. Now I am. I'm in at 82. So we got this cluster of buyers here holding above a sequential decline. Really, when these buyers this is a beautiful entry here. So the stop really should be can be a couple of ticks below that. So I'm going to give it. Now I got this point of control here at 72. I don't really want to give it that much because I got in off the 9. I want that to hold it. So if I see these clusters of buyers going away, we'll just flatten it. Otherwise, we should be shooting for first target, which is 66.11. So that would be a really nice move. So we'll see how it responds as it gets up there. But that's 15 ticks away, so. Remember, this is going to be your hiccup. 65.95 is going to be a hiccup. I think we push above it though. I think it looks fairly strong. All right, so I want this to keep on pushing right through this 95, 96 area. This is kind of, like I said, this is a potential little hiccup. We had a intraday high so far was at 96, 65, 96. We need to push above that. There's some sellers stepping right in there. I want to see those sellers dissolve. I am going to move my stop up. I'm going to put a hard stop in now at this potential wick of this bar is 85. I had a sequential decline in a finished auction there, so I think at the maybe 83. It's only protecting 3 ticks, but I'll just give this little bit of room and see if there those sellers went away. Nice. Now let's see if we can pop up and break the highs. There we go, nicely. And I'll leave my stop where it is. I'm hiding below this wick. Now I want to make sure this doesn't end up, this looks like this could be a potential trap in here. So let's see these sellers disappear. If you want, you can protect a little more. There's a low volume node in here through 89, so even 86, 87. I'm gonna go to 85. I'm gonna be a little bit stingy because this does look almost like a little trap here, and they're gonna sell this off. We'll see. So I'm stingy at 85. Let's see these buyers kick it up, and I mean they have to take out that whole bar. And I don't want to give it all the way room to retest the lows, so. Two ticks below that wick there would be 83. I went to 85. You could give it to 83 if you want, but I'd like to try to protect 50 bucks. So I'm going to give it to, I only went to 85. Yeah, more positive delta stepping in, but there's this big resistance here at 98. We'll see when we get back up there if selling is even as it's moving in, a little more selling step in. So as we move up there, I may inch my step up even higher. I want to, unless I see these sellers disappear here, see if it'll take them out. I mean, it's going to take some strength to push up higher. Here we go. Those sellers disappeared. That's nicer. I am going to move my stop up a little bit more to 86 and hide behind these 63 buyers here. So I'm protecting $60. You can protect more if you want. These sellers keep going. They come in and then they're absorbed. They come in and then they're absorbed. But again, this looks like a sell-off bar. So if I was thinking to take this short, these 99, this would be the place right in here. They keep getting absorbed. So bit by bit, they're getting absorbed. So we'll see. Sequential decline, selling, point of control lower than the prior one. We'll see. It's a little bit iffy. I'm going to move my stop up a little more to 88. I'm protecting $80. I'm very tight. I know that. But like I said, this looks like it could potentially have been a head fake. And if it can't push and hold above that, then you know what happens next. Let's see if these 56 sellers here get absorbed. At this point, I'm going to protect 100, so I'm going to 90. I'm protecting $100. All right, now it's got to break above this 98 if it's going to keep going. So I'm tight. I get it, but that's okay. I have a target in mind. I'm here to make money, not here to give it room to fiddle around. Break it. There's buying stepping in. All those sellers got absorbed. Nice, nice, nice. All right, but we should hit target 1, 66.11. So my stop, I'm protecting $100. I'm going to leave it at 90 at this point and protect my $100 and see if we keep heading up toward target one. All right, I'm going to move up a little bit. I'm going to move up to 92. Let's see, that wick was at 93. It could be 91. Let's see what it is on this bar. Yeah, 92. I'm going to be where I am, 93. I'd rather protect. We're getting close to 66.11. I do want to take a peek on the 30-minute, see where I am. Oh yeah, looks really nice. Looks really, really nice. In fact, I think we should get up to around 66.21-ish, or at least 66.16. So target one is 66.11, definitely within sight. I don't think this should be a problem. Now you could just take profit off at 11, but I'm going to wait and see if it'll push through that. But I definitely want to protect. I want to make sure I keep my target. So considering what a choppy morning it was, we managed to keep our risks very small and our stops very small. The most I was ever down for the day was 160, and now going to make target for the day. So I'm going to hide behind these 190 buyers here. There's 11 now. It was hit. So I'm going to go to 06. So let's see. 06 would give back 4 ticks, so it will still keep me within target. It's very, very tight. I actually like to go one below it. 05. And my buyers went away, so there it is.